How do I split a list into equally sized chunks? How do I split a list of arbitrary length into equal-sized chunks? See how to iterate over a list in chunks if the data result will be used directly for a loop and does not need to be stored. For the same question with a string input, see split string every nth character. The same techniques generally apply, though there are some variations.
Here's a generator that yields evenly sized chunks. For Python 2, using range instead of range. Below is a list comprehension one-liner. The method above is preferable, though, since using named functions makes code easier to understand. For Python 3. For Python 2.
Something super simple. For Python 2, use range instead of range.
I know this is kind of old, but nobody yet mentioned numpy.array_split. Result.
Directly from the old Python documentation, recipes for itertools. The current version, as suggested by j.f.sebastian. I guess Guido's time machine works, worked, will work, will have worked, was working again. These solutions work because, either iterable, n, or the equivalent in the earlier version, creates one iterator, repeated n times in the list. isip_longest then effectively performs a round robin of each iterator. Because this is the same iterator, it is advanced by each such call, resulting in each such zip round robin generating one tuple of n items. Python greater than or equal to 3.12. itertools.batched is available.
I'm surprised nobody has thought of using iter's 2-argument form. Demo. This works with any iterable and produces output lazily. It returns tuples rather than iterators, but I think it has a certain elegance nonetheless. It also doesn't pad. If you want padding, a simple variation on the above will suffice. Demo. Like the isip_longest based solutions, the above always pads. As far as I know, there's no 1 or 2 line itertools recipe for a function that optionally pads. By combining the above two approaches, this one comes pretty close. Demo. I believe this is the shortest chunker proposed that offers optional padding. As Tomasz Gander observed, the two padding chunkers will stop unexpectedly if they encounter a long sequence of pad values. Here's a final variation that works around that problem in a reasonable way. Demo.
You wish to